Today I'm going to show you how I make garlic confit. Terry Turner is one of my favorite cooking inspirations. She wrote a cookbook called No Crumbs Left, and this garlic confit recipe is from No Crumbs Left. She calls it one of her magic elixirs, and it truly is. We use garlic confit. I make a huge pan of it, as you'll see, and then I freeze it in little plastic bags and get it out of my deep freeze as needed. I use it all the time. I put it in everything from sauteed vegetables that I'll make to have every morning with my eggs. I put it in salad dressings. I mash it up and mix it with olive oil to put on roasted broccoli. I use it in my roasted chicken. When I make roasted chicken in the oven, I'll use it with that. I will also crush it up and put it on potatoes. It's delicious. It's essentially roasted garlic at the ready. So absolutely delicious. So here we go. This is the most simple food. I buy my large bags of garlic and it is already cleaned and ready to use. I buy my large bags of garlic at Costco, and this is just such a simple thing. You put it in your baking dish and cover it with olive oil, and then you can sprinkle in whatever herbs you want to sprinkle in. You can sprinkle in basil, you can use rosemary, which is usually what I use. I usually use rosemary. You could also even do sage if you wanted. Cook your garlic confit for about 35 minutes until the garlic is tender in a 350-degree oven. Take it out, let it come to room temperature, and then you can decant it into jars. I put mine into plastic bags and freeze them in the deep freeze so that I always have garlic confit at the ready. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you will try garlic confit and that you love using it as much as my family does. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.